Hi, I'm Michael Zabala, and I'm an assistant professor in mechanical engineering here at Auburn University. Today we're standing in the Auburn University Biomechanical Engineering Lab, where we're interested in researching musculoskeletal function, specifically as it relates to disease, injury prevention, and athletic performance. Oftentimes we're interested in looking at the characteristics of unique movements associated with certain athletic tasks. We evaluate these movements by tracking reflective markers on a subject's body. And today we are lucky to have a world-class athlete in the lab to act as our test subject. This is really an athlete that is truly unrivaled in his athletic prowess. So now we're here looking at the software associated with the motion capture that we do. And since we have the reflective markers on the head, for instance, of Aubie, we can go in and measure how he's moving. So Aubie's really known for a lot of famous movements, such as the head bobble. You can see here we're tracking the motion directly. From this data, we can look at things like how fast is he rocking his head back and forth, where is his head in space. We can actually go in and quantify some of the more famous movements that Aubie's known for. And now we're going to have Aubie rotate his tail or do the tail spin, and since we have markers on the tail, then we can actually go in and measure how fast his tail is spinning. So Aubie's really known for making a grand entrance. One of the ways he does that is by jumping up in the air and landing on his 2 feet hard. So let's do that, Aubie. And here you can actually see how hard he hits the ground. These arrows represent the actual force that he's making when he contacts the floor with each foot. And we all know how great of a dancer Aubie is, and with this technology we can archive the specifics of the motions that he makes as he's dancing. Let's see it, Aubie. And now that we've measured the biomechanics of Aubie when he's doing a lot of his famous actions, we're going to move on to the next round of testing. What in the world? Aubie.